They got swamp puppies in this bitch. Ah! They also had a scare actor that looks like a tree! I hate this haunted house in a good way. I'm much more blind too, because the light is much more brighter. Oh, mother!
Get me out of here, please! Please don't go! Oh, my friends are gone! They won't let me! Look at my friends! They're all gone!
Your friends are dead.
Please don't go! Please!
She looks okay.
Please! My friends are gone and the only one left! Please don't go!
What the banana? What in the Hawaiian punch? There is a coffin in this room.
Oh, there is a coffin. It's safe.
Oh, I didn't notice that.
Ah! Oh, thank God it was Sean and not me. Thank God it was Sean and not me.
Eat the brain!
She got her brain intact.
Give me her brain! Can I have her brain?
Not for sale. You don't want it. It's mush. It's mush.
What's her name?
Ari.
This scared me.
It's not that good. I'm not that smart. I'm sorry.
He's really
Give me her
smart.
brain! Come on!
Jake is really smart.
She seems the scariest though. I like when they're scared.
I'm the scariest.
He's the most
Oh, you're scared?
He's the most scared.
You don't see me hugging this wall.
You are! We are!
And she's almost out.
What the
You know what hungry rats do? They dig in the plate. And oh, you're
Angel!
And I have
Why
to
me?
deal with it.
What I do?
Well, get to them. They're waiting. You want to know a rat's favorite food? Eyeballs. I'm gonna go. Got your eyeballs.
As long as it's eyeballs and not balls, we're fine.
No, of course not. Rats?
What they're rats? The cats
Yes.
Why you're the rats?
Alright, so this room is safe. This room
This is a room of like freaking rats.
everywhere.
Oh no, they got Splinter!
Splinter. It smells of
Boy, I can't see shit.
Why would you want to eat my food? I make it for me. You can have anything else. I promise I don't bite. You can have it.
We can make a phone call.
No, you can't make a phone call. Why do you want to leave? Huh? Granny made this whole place for you so different and cute.
Can I sit?
No, you can't sit. That's my chair. Why are you trying to sit in my seat?
What chair do I need to sit in?
None of the chairs. You can sit on the floor. You can sit next
She ain't
to
picking on me,
Granny.
so I can just ignore her.
Granny.
Oh,
Sit
Granny.
right there.
looks very happy.
Yeah, I know. You can sit next to her.
I'm vegan though.
You want to sit next to Granny?
You got-
want to sit next to Granny?
You got vegan
you
options?
Look like you want to sit next to Granny.
You got vegan options?
Yeah. This is vegan.
Ah!
This is vegan. You can eat it all.
look
You
happy.
want to sit next to Granny? Why not?
They don't have vegan options. There's no vegan options. Hannah, run. Yo, what in the World War II survivor room is this? Hey, Greg, why would you do that? Oh! There's a man in the wall. There is a man in the wall. Oh my God. Y'all freaking... I'm trying my... Oh, we just entered the shit room. The poop bathroom.
Please, help! Get me out of here! I don't want to die! Help! No!
No, you're gonna die.
That toilet's disgusting.
I don't want to
And I'm gonna probably report
This room.
Not the dirty sheets room. There better not be no bed bugs in here. It's like dirty
We're
sheets.
like, yeah, we're on Kelly. No,
We're trapped in the closet. Ooh, what is that? That might be doo-doo. Oh, there's a bod. There is a bod.
Get me out of here!
Somebody help her! She's too close. What? That way.
Get me out of here!
You want my fat body to push through it?
Like, done.
Ali, you're gonna smash your camera. I'll leave.
How do I?
Here, get behind me.
Yeah, you.
I'll use my fat body now. Here we go. Come in. Oh! Yo, I'm going to the claustrophobic room. Yo, this is rough.
I don't like this.
Protect your Heidi! Protect your Heidi! Oh, what is this? Oh, I found the exit.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Okay, you can. Oh, whoa! What the? I'm back in the closet.
Why are we? Okay, how do I? You're fine.
What the?
Okay.
Lead.
You're good.
Go in there.
No, why do I have to go in?
You're the leader.
We're in the house.
You're the leader. Woo. I'm sweating, bro.
Yeah, same.
All right, so. Yo, there is a creature inside of the laundromat. Don't do it. I already heard you. You can't do it again. You are. Yo, there's a whole child in here. You got your family. Yo, that kid got her on deck. Is that your kid? Okay. What's his name? That's not your kid. That's not his kid.
That's not your child. No? Oh, that's terrifying. So you got like a passion. Okay. That's creepy. Oh, you're gonna kill him. Okay.
Welcome to the maze. They got swamp puppies in this bitch. Ah! They also had a scare actor that looks like a tree. Okay.
This room is
What was that? I'm not yelling. You're yelling. Follow the lights.
just kind of follow the walls.
Oh, thank God I felt him coming. My man, you gotta get that checked out. That's bronchitis. Oh, what is? Oh, he's in here with me. I'm in here with him. Socorro! Yo, there's another fish people in here. I don't want to kick you, sir. I can't see. I can't see.
Like it was.
Oh, sha-la-la-la-la-la. Yo, there's a swamp puppy in this bitch.
Angel has this rule where he doesn't like the person on camera, and he got so scared.
I can't help it.
So,
Yo, there is a whole
and
swamp
this
puppy.
yeah, there's a whole.
Oh, there is a swamp puppy there.
Alligator right here. It's absolutely sick. Like this.
Hell no.
I am
Yo, they're following you. The Korok seeds.
genocide.
What did I do? Get them. Look, more victims. You got new victims. Stop following us, Korok.
Get off my porch.
Oh, what in?
No.
What in the Clint Eastwood?
No. Off my porch.
Who's this?
Fucking dip though, bro.
Don't worry, it's Florida.
You're right.
No.
Well, I did say I wanted corn on the cob. Corn on a cob. Cob on a knob. Corn on a cob. Check. Yo! What in the Ford Mustang? You already did it. Don't do it again. Let me through. Ah! Sorry, Addie. I'm sorry. Oh my God, we're back in the Jeepers Creepers room. Where'd you get those beepers? That is loud. That is ear busting, gut busting. Mayhem. Yo, what the fuck? Sorry, I did not mean to curse.
You gotta get me out of here, please! Don't leave me here, please! Please don't get everything from me! I don't want you to be next with what they said! Please look at what they said to me! I don't want you to go! I don't want you to be
Oh my God. Why is she so aggressive? Yo, there is a pig with a chainsaw mask. Oh! Hey! Brother a man! Oh shit, I almost died! Ah! It's a goddamn chainsaw! Run! 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 Oh my god! Let me sit down. There's nothing worse. There is nothing worse than being chased by a chainsaw. I'm out of breath.
Did you run from the chainsaw?
That house took, of course I ran. That was 10 minutes.